Today, I'm going to unbox my new doll. See? Now let's open. This is the doll. It has movement on its arms. Now let's open. It's tied at the back, so we have to remove this. And we got the doll. See? It has movement on its arm. See? Now let's take the next piece. So these are the things we get from the box. There are 8 shoes. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And these are some accessories. This is a mirror, a necklace for the doll, and a handbag. It has butterflies picture on it. And this is a dress, pink and green color. Now let's try on the dress. Now let's put the bag. There's a mirror. And these are the things. This doll cannot sit. It could move its hands like this, and like this. And the head.